Transparency and client happiness are critical in the modern retail industry. To match these expectations, Shopify POS has powerful order monitoring features that allow shops and customers to follow the status of their orders in real time. Retailers may improve transparency, streamline processes, and improve the customer experience by integrating order tracking into the Shopify POS system. In this video, we will look at the relevance and benefits of order monitoring in Shopify POS, highlighting how it enables businesses to provide visibility into order fulfillment, streamline communication, and build customer loyalty. Order fulfillment in real time. Order tracking in Shopify POS gives businesses and customers real-time visibility into the fulfillment process. Retailers may get up-to-date information about the progress and location of each order by integrating tracking information from shipping providers directly into the POS system. This real-time visibility enables retailers to monitor the progress of order fulfillment, ensuring prompt processing and delivery. Retailers may proactively handle any delays or issues that may develop, improving operational efficiency and consumer happiness. Furthermore, order monitoring allows clients to stay up to date on the status of their orders. Customers can track their packages and estimate arrival dates by supplying tracking numbers or URLs using the Shopify POS system. This transparency builds confidence, decreases consumer inquiries, and improves the overall customer experience. Streamlined communication and customer service. Order tracking in Shopify POS simplifies communication between retailers and customers throughout the fulfillment process. By offering tracking information to customers, companies can proactively communicate crucial updates such as purchase confirmations, shipping notifications, and delivery status. This improved communication decreases customer inquiries and support requests about order progress, allowing merchants to spend resources more efficiently and focus on providing great customer care. Furthermore, order tracking enables retailers to handle any potential difficulties as soon as possible. If a product is delayed or has any difficulties while en route, retailers can contact out to concerned customers and offer solutions or support. This proactive approach indicates concern and attentiveness, which strengthens consumer trust and loyalty. Improving operational efficiency. Order tracking in Shopify POS improves operational efficiency by giving businesses with insights into the fulfillment process and optimizing resource allocation. Retailers may monitor order fulfillment performance, detect bottlenecks, and enhance their operations by using real-time tracking information. This data-driven strategy enables retailers to streamline their procedures, eliminate fulfillment errors, and enhance overall operational efficiency. Furthermore, order tracking enables retailers to forecast demand and properly plan inventory management. By evaluating order tracking data, retailers may identify sales patterns, estimate future demand, and optimize inventory levels accordingly. This proactive inventory management decreases stockouts, increases customer happiness, and lowers holding costs. Integration and scalability. Order monitoring in Shopify POS connects easily with numerous shipping providers, allowing shops to select their chosen carrier and deliver precise tracking information to customers. Popular carriers such as UPS, FedEx, and USPS may be incorporated directly into the Shopify POS system, assuring dependable and real-time tracking updates. Furthermore, order tracking in Shopify POS is scalable, enabling enterprises of all sizes. Whether running a tiny boutique or managing a multi-location retail chain, businesses can use order monitoring to create a consistent and transparent consumer experience. Order monitoring in Shopify POS enables retailers to improve transparency, streamline communication, and maximize operational efficiency. Order tracking builds confidence, minimizes support queries, and improves the overall customer experience by giving real-time visibility into order fulfillment and enabling simplified communication between retailers and customers. With its easy connection and flexibility, Shopify POS's order tracking functionality enables shops to fulfill consumer expectations, establish loyalty, and achieve success in today's competitive retail scene.